Hi everyone, hope all's well. Back here with another video. This is a Hotpoint BHWMXL145. I've just been given this off of a friend's, well, their family member, as they know what I do with washing machines, so they held this for me and came and dropped it off just a few minutes ago, which is quite nice of them. They gave it to me for free as well, which is even better. So what's wrong with this machine then? Right, let's show you. So the spiders snapped. I think snapped there, I think maybe that one's solid, and then yeah, no, that one's definitely snapped. I think this one's a solid one out of the two, although it don't look like it, but it feels alright. Yeah, these two are the loose ones. Some may say this is deja vu because I've had one of these before in the past, but not this particular model. It was a super silent model. It was 1200 spin. Ironically, I've got it up on my wall there, as you can see. Oh, the memories of that one, eh? So, without further ado, zooming in correctly, I think we need to give it a bit of a test spin and see how it sounds, and then I don't really know what else we can do. Maybe we do a test wash on Fast Wash 9. Well, it ain't really even a wash, it's a rinse. I just want to see what that circle's like. I'm not going to put any laundry in it, probably not, but well, it's a bit, by my standards, it's a bit grim, so that's not going to happen probably. Maybe we'll connect a bit of water up to it and make a bit of noise and then throw something heavy into it, because I was actually thinking maybe putting the WMA30 ballast into this one and recreating the Bosch smash, because obviously we tried to do that with the Hotpoint Smart Tech, but it didn't really work out because I got carried away and just kept doing it with the ballast. But this one's obviously, it's got a broken drum support, so you know, it might mean we can kind of make it in comparison and see which one lasts the longest. I reckon this one would die pretty quick. Somehow the Bosch just kept going even though all its three arms just completely collapsed. I don't know how it did, but it did. So anyways, let's switch it on. Let's see what it does. But it makes all sorts of crazy noises. I was originally told the bearings were gone on this, but obviously it's not. It's the spider. But that's fine. And also another thing, I'm trying my best to get all my words out as quick as I can, but the drum's actually cracked on the back where the bearings are. So this machine could be very interesting when we destroy it, but alright, I'm just going to shut the hell up and just put this thing on, because honestly, we just want to see it and see how it sounds. I don't know what type of spin programming this does, but I presume it does a 10-minute spin programming, I think. I might be wrong. It's going to be doing the 16-minute programming by the seams of it, so I might come back to it as it's spinning up a bit after we've seen it spin a few bursts. Ouch. Yeah, I think I'll film the next burst and then I'll film the burst as it's kind of increasing the speed, as I don't really want to be filming it for 16 minutes because we already know how these spin anyways and what the spin's like, so we don't really need to know. I'll come back when it starts to spin up, because this is just pretty tedious, to be honest with you. We want to hear it when it gets to more full speed. Well, that's if I can bear the noise, you know. I'll be fine, I think. I'll come back to it when it starts spinning up a bit, because this is just, you know, like I say, tedious stuff. Wow. Wow, just wow. Oh, wow, that's insane. I don't think the Bosch was as bad as that when I first got it. There's only one arm that snapped, whereas clearly this one, 2 arms have snapped. It's just doing its anti-tangle now. Wow, I genuinely did think that was going to explode when it got to 1400, the way that, you know, the drum was making all that noise. You know, I'm a bit lost for words. I don't really know what to say. I mean, I've heard bad machines, like obviously that Hotpoint integrate was terrible. But, you know, I forgot about that machine, to be honest with you. You know, it's such a long time ago now, and, you know, I'm just lost for words, really. I mean, it's such a shame, to be honest, because, you know, this machine as a whole, I mean, it looks, you know, it seems like a pretty nice machine. It's got the time zone program, so that's pretty nice, I reckon, you know. Unfortunately, these aren't that common anymore, but that's not my problem. I have a feeling that this machine will be meeting the WMA30 ballast, you know, because I ain't messing around with this. Well, I am, but I'm not what I mean not messing around with it, I mean not fixing it. It's just not worth it. You know, I'm sorry if people wanted to see this get fixed, but I'm not. It's not what I want to do with it. It's in my hands, so I get to choose what happens with it now. Yeah. Part of me reckons that I did think that was going to be louder, but well, obviously not. I'm happy it weren't louder because that was pretty insane. There's a pump coming on for the last time, and then hopefully we'll unlock. Alright. Unfortunately, this machine isn't an instant unlock or lock. It's one of those stupid slow ones, so we're gonna have to wait 2 minutes or however long it normally takes for these to unlock. Really, I think I prefer if the bearings were gone on it, because at least I think, well, I mean, to me, if the bearings are gone, I mean, I don't really know. I think they're both just as bad, bearings and spiders. When they go, they're just as bad. I do have a spare spider for this, well, from the Smart Tech, but really, I don't really want to cut it apart. Because I was saying to someone the other day, I mean, I'm not really willing to cut, you know, the 2 halves of the drum apart again, because, you know, oh, there's a door. Just unlocked. Well, let's open it up. You know, you get up to nothing, really. You risk it leaking, like the WF, because when it was on spin, sometimes it would dribble a little bit from the tub, I reckon. But it was alright when it was washing and all that, so I don't know. Pretty bad stuff, this is. Yeah, this is a solid arm. And this is the broken arm. And this arm's broken. I think this one's the worst out of the 2. Or all 3 of them even. That 3rd one, that's obviously holding up still, won't last long. But you can kind of see the dents in the back of the drum. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. Just about. I'll zoom in if I can. Yeah, they're dents from the spider. But, you know, I'll try and destroy it the best I can. There's the codes if anyone wants to see them. I'll try my best with it. I'll see what I can do with it. You know, I'll work my magic on it, as I do with all of these machines. I'm very, very skilled with what I do, aren't I? Don't take much skill to destroy a washing machine, but, you know, fixing them, I mean. Let's switch it off. Yep, maybe you see a few more videos of this. I might mess around with it a bit tonight and then hotwire it for destruction, save all the bits out of it, because it all can be saved. And if I ever find another one of these with a dodgy board, at least we can have another one of these on the go. Maybe set it on too, I don't know. I don't like selling machines on. I only give them to people I know, or a guy I know that does washing machines. I give them to him because it's just easier, because I don't, you know, like I said, I don't like selling them. Oh, I'm a chatterbox, aren't I? So, you know what, I'm just going to leave it here for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, stay safe.